Patient I'll be presenting today is a 59-year-old female. Came to UTMC's Inpatient Recovery Services Unit for alcohol dependence with active withdrawal. Patient states she's drinking 3 liters of wine per day and has done that for about the last 20 years or so, with short periods of sobriety on and off throughout there. Last drink was yesterday. Currently, she's citing anxiety, restlessness, and tremors as her withdrawal symptoms. She denies previous seizures or auditory and visual hallucinations when she goes through alcohol withdrawal, and reports that all of her withdrawals so far have been, relatively manageable. She's been on the unit for about 24 hours or so, and she's had 2 CWIS scores above 8, and has had 3 milligrams of Ativan total. 1 milligram right after she got on the unit, and then another 2 milligrams overnight, essentially. And we rounded about 9 o'clock in the morning, so she was actually probably going to get another 1 or 2 milligrams at that point. As far as psych goes, she has a history of anxiety and depression. She's on Zoloft and Effexor for those. One previous suicide attempt back in 2013. So she's been inpatient one time for that. She has no current suicidal ideation. Living situation. So she lives with her mother and brother. Both are alcoholics. Environment's a problem. So one of the things we're looking for is a sober living type situation for her, to where when she discharges from the unit, she's not going back to that environment right away. She's currently unemployed, and typically at the sober living or residential units, depending on where she ends up going, they have the ability to help find them jobs and things along those lines, to where when they leave, they can be on their feet and independent. But she's also had a history of residential stays and some longer sober living type experiences, and has relapsed shortly after those stays. But we're going to try again with it. Her longest period of sobriety is about 2 years, so she knows how to do it. It's just a matter of getting her in the right place at the right time. As far as the plan goes, we're going to continue to monitor her alcohol withdrawal. We do expect it to get a little more severe over like the next 24 to 36 hours or so, based on chart reviews from other stays and information that we got from her interview. Anyways, so we'll continue to monitor and use the Comfort Med and see what protocol as we need to.